Derek Allen Makunovich, 24T642916.
Good morning, again, Judge and staff. John Bassiano, on behalf of Derek Makunovich.
I'm going to need Jessica in here. Your name, sir?
Derek Allen.
All right, so he has entered a not guilty plea on this. He's got, I hope you saw this, he's got 11 prior technical violations.
The judge.
And now here he's got one count of failure to attend the court work program. How's he going to proceed on this?
Plead guilty.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
12 probation violations, missed the court work program 3 times in a row, each time a different excuse. Watch how this judge finally runs out of patience.
If you plead guilty here, this would be your 12th. And you could have your probation revoked and be incarcerated for 90 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights? You plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So the charge you failed to attend the court work program on April 25th or 26th, how do you plead? Did you fail to attend?
Yes.
Why weren't you there?
My wife was assaulted by her elder sister.
By what?
Be there for the kids.
Wait, I didn't hear you.
My wife was assaulted. My wife was assaulted by her elder sister with a drug problem, and I needed to be there.
When did that occur? I would just want you to tell me when it occurred.
About a week ago.
About a week ago?
Life and what? I already contacted your brother.
Well, what does that have to do with it? You're
I have to take care of my daughter, but
this is May the 11th, right?
yeah,
If it happened back on May the 4th, you said about a week ago,
contacted Jessica.
what does that have to do with you not being here for the court work program on April the 25th?
I had to take care of my daughter and the animals.
Wait a minute. You're acting like this assault on your wife caused you to not be here on April. Wait. I don't want to be interrupted. You told me your wife was assaulted by her sister. Is that not what you said? Were you not trying to lead me to believe that she was assaulted on or around the time you were supposed to be to the court work program and therefore you didn't appear?
I should have prioritized with her. I contacted your brother to go tomorrow or set on free this entire week. I'm gearing up for
Listen,
certification.
listen.
Judge, it just sounds like, if I may interject, it sounds like this gentleman's been overwhelmed with a lot of things that have been going on in life and it's happened.
He tried to make it sound like he didn't show up on the court work program because his wife was assaulted by her drug addict sister. That's what he made it sound like. And then it comes out that that was a week ago, and yet he was supposed to be on the court work program 16 days ago. Right?
No, I failed to prioritize.
Judge, if I could.
Yeah.
So Derek was actually scheduled he only had the 1 day left in the court work program. His case was set to expire May 1st. So I told him he only had a few opportunities. We were originally scheduled for April 11th. He emailed me stating there were some issues in the family situation. He wanted to reschedule. Fine. I told him he could reschedule. He then rescheduled for April 18th. He then contacted me saying there was issues with his wife. There was something going on with his wife. He couldn't do it. He needed to stay with his daughter. I said, fine, you have one final opportunity on May 25th. He stated
April 25th, you mean?
April 25th, I'm sorry, yes, Your Honor. On April 25th, he then emailed me again and stated that he couldn't do it, that his wife was going through severe mental health problems and he had to take care of his daughter. Again, I gave him all the opportunities possible. There was no other options after that. So this is 3 dates in a row that we scheduled for court work program, and there's issues each time for rescheduling. I gave him the opportunities to reschedule, but again, we've now run out of time. We don't know what else to do.
Judge, if I may interject, with regard to the wife, I believe it's his ex-fiance with whom he has an 8-year-old daughter, am I correct?
Yes.
And at that time, there were issues that existed that could have subjected his ex-fiance to CPS problems, and as a result, Mr. Makunovich intervened, and it just sounds like this gentleman, although he's been semi-responsible here, has tremendous, responsibilities, and he certainly wants to finish this off. And shame on him for not availing himself to Ms. O'Donnell's overtures over here with getting it done, but Judge, I'm just asking that if we can have a continuance on, I know you're upset about it, Judge, but the gentleman does work. He's not some lazy.
He's got 12 violations.
Judge, I understand that. I understand.
We've given Derek multiple opportunities. It's always something. There was money for a while. It was an issue. We finally get this taken care of. Then it was an issue with the anger management. You just saw him not that long ago for another violation regarding anger management. We did get that done, but we just had one final day on the court work program. We've given Derek all the opportunities. I don't know what else there is to do.
His wife's mental health issues, his daughter, his ex-fiance, real problems. But Judge had heard enough. Almost done with probation, and it ends like this.
Judge, he's a troubled young man whose head is spinning because he's thinking about his 8-year-old daughter from a previous relationship. He's got his wife's mental health issues to deal with, and as a result, I think it exacerbates his issues. Just asking for continuance, just to finish off this one matter over here, Judge. This is all we're asking for. I know you're fed up. I know that O'Donnell's fed up, but we're almost.
How could we not be fed up? We've given him multiple.
Understood. I understand, Judge. He's just up close to completing it.
This has been going on since August of 24. No, you can only have so many of these, okay? I could have done this a long time ago. Anything else you want to say?
Judge, I'm just asking that there be no jail time because he's close to his MDOT certification, getting the mechanic's license.
Does he owe any money?
He does not owe.
How many days?
He has 7 days credit jail. He gave us back in October. It doesn't look like there was any credit
He
days.
also did core work program for 2 or
He did
3. How many of those?
The days that he completed a court work program, he completed 6 days, Your Honor.
So he's done 6 plus 7 is 13, right?
Yeah.
I'm not going to assess any fines. I'm going to revoke probation. You're to serve 20 days, credit 13 for 7. You're in custody for 7 days. I'm sorry. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions?
Judge, my question is, when would we start this?
Right now. He's in custody right now. Sorry. Have a seat over there, sir. Good luck.
The Haven versus Raymond Stewart III.
Jillian Egan for faith.
And Morgan, you're right. Not here. Okay.
Nope, I'm Raymond Stewart.
All right. What do we have?
Balance including court costs of $4,620.82.
All right. How are we going to get this taken?
Yeah, I thought I was all good, and then student loans processed before the rent payment. So, done a DHS application, doing FASCO with them. I only get paid once a month, so I wouldn't even be able to pay again until 29th or whatever the last business day of the month is. So, I was hoping we could do like a payment arrangement or something, but we're trying to figure this all out.
Student loan payment went through by mistake and wiped out his rent money. Now he owes $4,620 and has nothing until the 29th. Watch if the judge gives him a shot.
So let me get this. You're a student?
No, not anymore.
Or okay. So what got paid? How'd you?
The student loan payment went through first before the rent payment, so my bank denied the rent payment.
Oh,
Yeah, student loan payment wasn't even supposed to be due that day. They just made an error, and of course, I can't get that back for 21 days.
okay. So your student loan payment got made. And so they didn't pay the rent. And so you say you don't get paid till the 29th. But are you going to be able to cover this balance on the 29th?
Majority of it, I'm hoping that FASCO at U of M can help me out, as well as DHS.
All right. So did you do a DHS?
Mhm.
Did?
Yep, that was a couple days.
Couple days ago
Like,
when you found out about everything else.
yes, as soon as I started.
Okay. So just so you can put it in perspective, how many people are in your place? 2? 2. All right. So if DHS awards their maximum amount, you're only going to get about $520. That's all that they're going to have. Then you say you'll have your check by the 29th.
Yes.
And then you're looking for other.
Yep.
You know how much your check is, how much you're gonna check towards your rent?
$3,200.
3,200?
Yep.
Okay, so you'll put 3,200 towards your check. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do, sir. But you don't have any funds till then.
No, I made a payment of $500 yesterday or the day before.
Okay. All right, hold on. You don't have that because I don't.
I don't see it. Here. Wait. That's the right one?
I don't think you have it only because I'm looking at last week's number and it went up by the.
I got the receipt in my book bag.
Yeah,
You're good.
Yeah. We just get our ledger for noon the day.
Oh,
So
I don't believe you, but she did. So
I got the receipt.
yeah, all right.
no, we're not.
All right. Yeah, go.
He had a receipt, a plan, and an honest explanation. Judge was skeptical, but gave him until May 29th. Was that the right call? Drop your opinion below, hit that like, and subscribe. Real courtroom stories every single day.
What do you think about adjourning it to the 29th? If Mr. Stewart can, it's gonna be 2 p.m. So Mr. Stewart can make that payment like early in the morning.
Yeah.
Maybe,
You can do it then?
Yeah.
All right.
and have, maybe at that point, we talk about maybe doing a judgment so that we can freeze the amount.
Got it. Okay. I don't have a problem with that. May 29th, 2026 at 2 p.m. All right. Make sure to get that payment in, then we can check it and do whatever.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Everybody believes you'll do it. I'm skeptical, but all right.